Hi, I am Isabella. Now I am going to tell about one of the respiratory disease that is called bronchitis. You may study it in the structure of the respiratory system that the trachea leads into the two lungs, that is the alveolar spaces and all we have studied. So here this bronchitis means the inflammation of the bronchi. If your intake of air through nose, this it leads to the windpipe, that is trachea, and then enter into the lungs. So if you cough, that time it produces the sputum. Those people having this bronchitis, lung disease, that sputum may be in the form of, there is a two types, that is acute bronchitis and chronic bronchitis. Acute bronchitis means these kinds of cough, this may be only one set, that's a only short duration of time. If you are exposing to some polluted area, that the climate change, it leads to sneezing and cough. This produces the sputum. This can be cured. And another one is the chronic bronchitis. This type of disease persistent over long period of times. The recurring also, it takes several years. So generally this lung disease, it is affected by those who are smoking and also already having lung disease and the climatical changes. This leads to the develop of the acute and chronic bronchitis. Acute bronchitis. The acute bronchitis, it may develop by virus also, and then polluted climatical condition and also bacteria, it leads to the bronchitis disease. So this acute bronchitis, it can be easily cured. We have to show to doctor, then immediately they will give some tablet that will be cured. Next one is the chronic bronchitis. The chronic bronchitis means the cough occur most of the time, or it leads to continuously 3 months. So this leads to the narrowing of the alveolar spaces, that is obstruction in the pathways. So this obstruction, it leads to the swelling in the alveolar spaces, that spaces and all it closed. So this disease, that is emphysema, this one of the lung disease. So this emphysema and chronic bronchi, it leads to the obstructive chronic lung diseases. So otherwise called obstructive chronic air pathway disease. So the causes of this disease, mainly the pollution. So because of this pollution, that mucus, it present in the alveolar spaces. So this can be cured by, we have to take some healthy foods and we have to live in the healthy climatical condition. This may be useful to those who are studying in +1, +2 also, and preparing NEET students also. Thank you.